अभी आपको इस्लामाबाद लिए चलेंगे, जहां पर तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा हफ्तावार ब्रीफिंग दे रहे हैं।
During the visit, Pakistan extended a note of thanks to China for renewal of RMB 15 billion syndicate facility, support and assistance to Pakistan's efforts towards preventing the spread of COVID-19 pandemic by providing millions of vaccine doses as well as protective and medical equipment, facilitating return of Pakistani students to resume their on-campus studies in China. The two sides concluded several protocols and MOUs. The Chinese side announced the rollover of 2 billion safe deposits. It was also conveyed that China would export 200,000 metric tons of urea fertilizer to Pakistan. Ladies and gentlemen, yesterday, Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari had a telephone call with US Secretary of State Antony Blinken. You would have seen our detailed press release on it. The Foreign Minister and the Secretary of State reaffirmed their mutual desire to further strengthen bilateral ties by expanding engagement in trade, energy, health and security, to deepen Pak-US ties marking 75 years anniversary of our diplomatic relations, and appreciated the importance of frequent high-level exchanges in sustaining positive momentum in the bilateral ties. In this regard, the Foreign Minister appreciated the ongoing visit of US Special Representative on Business and Commercial Affairs, Mr. Dilawar Syed. Foreign Minister also took the opportunity to request the US to ease issuance of visas for Pakistani nationals, including students, business persons and professionals. On the regional situation, they discussed the need for continuous engagement with interim Afghan government to deal with the dire humanitarian situation in Afghanistan. The two leaders agreed to maintain sustained engagement in future. Earlier, on 1st July, the US Special Representative on Business and Commercial Affairs, Mr. Dilawar Syed, called on the Foreign Minister. The Special Representative's visit is a manifestation of the importance that both countries attach to improving trade and commercial relations. The Foreign Minister acknowledged his role in improving business contacts between the two sides and emphasized the importance of visits in deepening and expanding relationships, in particular on trade and commercial ties. Also on 1st July, Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari virtually addressed members of US Congress. The Foreign Minister thanked them for their support towards Pakistan and invited them to visit Pakistan. The Foreign Minister lauded the recent momentum in bilateral engagement on climate change, energy, health, security and trade. He expressed the desire to further deepen bilateral ties, particularly through economic cooperation. He stressed the need for more people-to-people, business-to-business and parliamentary engagements between the two countries.
आपको बताएंगे तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा आसिम इफ्तिखार इस वक्त न्यूज ब्रीफिंग दे रहे थे और अब यहां पर लेंगे एक ब्रेक। आज के साथ रहिए।